Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. Today I'm going to be demoing off American Muscle. It's a 15 shot by World Class Fireworks, as you see. And this is what the performance reads. It's pretty hard to see, but there you go. If you guys want to pause the video. But anyways, this is what the tube layout looks like. Pretty decent sized tubes on there. But anyways, let's demo off American Muscle. 200 gram cake by World Class. All right, guys, here goes American Muscle 15 shot. I can get this to light. There we go. American Muscle 15 shot. Not bad. Really nice cake.